Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll show you a Japanese popular bento. This bento is called Sanshoku-bento. San means 3, shoku means color. So this bento is 3 color: egg, bell pepper, and chicken. When I was a student, my mother often made this bento for me. And these dishes are called Soboro. Soboro is a very good side dish and goes well with the rice. I hope you will enjoy a Japanese delicious bento. Yes, let's make it. First of all, I'll make Tori Soboro. Tori means chicken. At first, I prepare the sauce ingredients. This is a recipe. I'll combine the liquid ingredients. Okay, I prepared sauce ingredients. This is green onion. I cut it roughly. Good. And I slice the ginger. Okay, I'll use them to add the flavor to Soboro. I add salt oil and turn on the heat. I'll brown them. You can skip the green onion and ginger, but they add a complex flavor to Soboro. Yes, they are nice browned. Okay, I remove them. Good. Then I cool down the pan. And I clean it. Okay. I add salt oil again. Then I add the ground chicken to the pan. If the pan is heated, the ground chicken is hardened quickly, and I can make finely Soboro. I turn on the heat and turn down. I use 2 pairs of chopsticks. The beginning is very important. I move chopsticks hardly to loosen the ground chicken finely. You can use a whipper instead of them. I keep moving chopsticks to make Soboro nice texture. Once the chicken is loosened well, I turn up the heat to medium. I stir and loosen it again. When the chicken is heated, the juice comes out. I keep heating it to concentrate the flavor. Okay, the excess water evaporates and the flavor is concentrated. I turn off the heat and leave it for 1 moment to cool the pan. Because if the pan is too hot, the sauce evaporates rapidly. Okay, then I add the sauce. And sugar. I return green onion and ginger. Okay, I turn on the heat again and turn down to the low heat. I mix them. The smell is so good. I simmer it for 5 minutes over low heat. 5 minutes later, I turn off the heat. Tori Soboro is done. I transfer it to a container. Good. Next, I'll make Tamago Soboro. First, I crack 2 eggs into the bowl. And I beat them well. Okay, then I add 10 grams of sugar. And 2 pinches of salt. 20 grams of water. At last, I add 3 grams of soy sauce. I mix them and dissolve the sugar. Okay. Then I add salt oil to the pan, turn on the heat, and turn down. I spread the oil. Okay, I add the egg mixture to the pan. Then I stir it with chopsticks. I keep stirring to make beautiful and even Soboro. I heat the egg over low heat. The egg starts to be cooked. I keep stirring not to brown the egg. It's almost there. Okay, turn off the heat. Done. Nice yellow. Next, bell peppers. First, I cut it into half, and I remove the top and seed. Okay, I cut it into sticks. And turn. Then I cut it into dices. Okay. Nice. I've cut 2 bell peppers. Then I'll heat the bonito flakes. I place the bonito flakes to the pan and turn on the heat. Bonito flakes burn so easily, therefore I heat it over low heat. I heat and make them small pieces. When they become dry, bonito flakes break easily. Small pieces of bonito flakes are mixed well with bell peppers. Okay. Turn on the heat again. I add sesame oil to the pan and spread it. Once the pan is heated, I add bell pepper. I stir fry it briefly to remain the crunchy texture. Okay, I season it with 2 pinches of salt. I keep stir frying. I add a bit soy sauce to add the fragrance. Finally, I add the bonito flakes and mix them. Done, I transfer it. Okay, sweet taste of egg, salty taste of bell pepper, and juicy and tasty chicken. They go well with the rice and each other. Let's arrange on the bento. First, I place the egg on the rice. Nice. Next, I place bell pepper in the middle. Good. Finally, I arrange Tori Soboro. Good. Umeboshi goes well with this bento. Nice. Yes, done. Sanshoku-bento is done. Beautiful. Let's eat it. Itadakimasu. Good. They are so nice with the rice. Perfect. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make a Japanese popular bento. In your country, what kind of bento is popular? If you like, please teach me. And I hope you will enjoy Japanese delicious bento. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.